To enable or disable voice typing in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. After that, you'll be able to find the languages and input, and then there's manage keyboards. Click on the Gboard right here, and then there's the voice typing. Make sure that this option is active. You can additionally open faster voice typing. This will download the dictation on your device to voice type faster and more accurately, and this is also available offline when you do this. So now to actually use it, we'll need to pop open our keyboard, and after that you can see this microphone icon. Click on it and then make sure to allow this permission, otherwise it won't work. So now if it just bugged out, sorry. Now if I start speaking, it should translate everything what I'm saying and transcript it to the text right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.